Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Mac OS device. It's a simple process, so let's get started. To begin, you need to open the system settings on your Mac. You can do this in two ways. Click on the system settings icon in your dock. Alternatively, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings from the drop-down menu. Once the System Settings window opens, look at the left-hand side of the screen and find the section labeled Users and Groups. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the users and groups associated with your Mac. In my case, I only have one user account. To change the password for this account, click on the Info icon, the small I next to the username. This will open a new window with user options. In the User Options window, you'll see an option labeled Change Password. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your current password. Type in your existing password. Next, create a new password. Make sure it's something secure but memorable. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. Add a password hint to help you remember it in case you forget. Once you've filled in all the fields, click on the Change Password button. That's it. Your password has now been updated. From now on, whenever you log out or restart your Mac, you'll need to use the new password to sign in. And that's how you can change your password on Mac OS. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.